right, another day downtown Indianapolis doing some street photography. And just to make sure everybody is aware, of course, as you can see, we've got our thumb grip. You can check this out in the description below. It's only about 12, 13 bucks. I'd highly recommend it. Grab that, slap that on there, perfect for that. We've got the GA1 coupler. This has got a little clip, it unsnaps. I've got a little UV filter on there, a 49mm UV filter. You can buy all this in the description below. This just snaps on. It does snap, so it's not loose. There's a bit of a jiggle, but that's okay. It's locked into place, so it's fine. So let me clean this bad boy off, and that gives you a little protection, and we're ready to roll. We got snap setting today at 1.5 meters, and we are at 400th of a second shutter speed, f9. We're on ISO auto, but only up to 1600. We are on highlight meter mode, and we are gonna see what we come up with today. Okay, we're down here just a little earlier today. The right people though.
Well, being in the shade at noon is their honeymoon time. Noon is their honeymoon time.
That's a cool picture.
I heard that they were all like really like.
Yeah. There you go.
How are you?
All right, how you guys doing today?
All right.
Look at Eric, picture taking a picture. Always like that. Thank you.
3 and 5 and 8 and 7
Here, I think my camera was screwed up earlier. I gotta get another shot.
Fair enough, dude.
That happens, you know. Right on, thanks. All right, you too.
Take a picture.
Get over here by your bike. What's the X on the?
Huh?
What's the X on the headlight for?
Well, that's the first racing bikes. They have that to keep the flashlight from falling off.
Oh, is that right? Oh, that's cool.
So it's like.
Excellent. Hey, let's get one low here. You can stay on there. Thanks, man. A lot of people out today. This is awesome. This is great.
Yep. Yeah. All the cases are going to spiking.
How you doing, guys?
Hi.
She told me that she canceled.
It's like a volleyball tournament or basketball tournament in town, which I'm really surprised at given the COVID situation, but that's good. See it all.
Okay. So which one do you like the best? Honestly, I like the rosé better.
Excuse me, sir. Can I take your picture? You look real nice there like that. Let me...
Give me for Conrad.
All right. Man knows what he's doing. There we go. A little warm for that today, isn't it? Are you working or?
Working.
Okay.
Marketing and sales.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Package car.
Yeah, yeah. Just on the back there says Dozier Graphic. So if you go to YouTube and you go to Dozier Graphic, you'll see I do street videos. This would be a good spot right here. To get you in the sun.
You like purple, don't you?
What's that?
You like purple.
Yeah, that well, that
Great
red.
Britain.
Yeah, that works perfect, man.
Oh no, I want the front of mine.
Okay, cool.
Can I get two of them?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Your hair is very pretty. Thank you.
It's a charmer right there, isn't he? Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna take a couple shots here, or several shots actually. Just follow me. Okay, go ahead and look at me on this one. Okay, keep looking at me. Then I'm gonna get one down here where you're gonna look like a badass. There we go, man. That'll work. I appreciate it, buddy. Good luck with everything. We can walk right into that sun. Look at me. Nope, don't look at me. Crap.